No bomb, no crater, no answer. Stay till the end, decide what's real. June 30th, 1908, Tunguska, Siberia. A farmer saw the sky split in two. A blinding fireball streaked overhead. Then, a massive explosion. It flattened 80 million trees. No crater, no fragments, only scorched earth. The blast was 1,000 times stronger than Hiroshima. Shockwaves circled the earth. The night sky glowed for weeks. Some believe it was an alien spacecraft. Others say we still don't know. Subscribe for more mysterious encounters.